great media, people all over India and the world can see it. But also in today's times, internet is something that everybody prefers to, to watch whatever videos they want. So with the whole issue of net neutrality that's come up in the last few days, what is your take on it? Because, obviously if this same मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, also coming on YouTube.
Sorry, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I think we're changing topics and going off somewhere else to a whole other issue which really doesn't have anything to do with this right now. I do agree with you. I think Doordarshan is a fantastic vehicle for the show. And Doordarshan actually goes to places where people still cannot download something and watch it. It reaches those people as well. And television it's a very, very powerful tool. And we are still struggling, like he said, that there's a population of almost 8 to 9 million people that only have access to one channel of Doordarshan, and for them, a smartphone downloading a video clip is really a very distant reality at this point. Hopefully it will change. But this medium, as far as putting the show out, reaching as many people as you possibly can, in as many languages as you possibly can, I mean, there's no other channel that can do it in this country apart from Doordarshan, and their support for this is truly commendable.
Also, do you plan to make any appearances? Because, in the show.
Will I be what?
Any appearance of you in the show?
Yes, we have been talking about this, so I'm sure that at some point all this information will reach you.
Firstly, congratulations. Wonderful job. I really want to know from all the creative people over there, one of the most difficult things in education is maintaining that balance between entertainment and education. So I'd like to hear from you any particular challenges and how you dealt with these. Were there times when you felt the education was overwhelming the entertainment or the other way around? As a creative person, how do you deal with this?
Very, very important question. I must first of all say that I had a terrific team with me. My co-writer, Shraddha Singh, she's also here. I have my editor, Mandar, and so on and so forth. All of them were very, very clear about one thing, is that we are entertainment plus. Because if we fail on entertainment, then the education will go full toss. And that's one of the problems with NGOs. They want to put it on your throat. Anytime you meet them, you feel you're getting an education class from them. So that was the first thing our conversation was. Okay, people are not interested in hearing about all these kind of things unless you get them, and the story should be the message. I can't say now story stop, message come. Nothing of that sort. The story is the message. We involve them with the characters, and that's why soaps are very interesting. They are highly melodramatic and so on and so forth. But there is something called the cognitive behavior, and there has been a great theory that's gone down. There's a Bandura's theory that goes on, Eric Bentley's theory of drama, and so on and so forth. And Miguel Sabido is one master of that. And in fact, he was the person who advised the Indian government to start the first soap opera in this country. So the idea is that you be very strong on entertainment, compelling characters, slightly melodramatic because soaps are supposed to be there. Suck them into it and then start giving the kind of gutti that you want to give them. But first get them. So it should never, never get your eyes off entertainment. And it's not about how good a serial I'm going to shoot and something like that. We are very clear. It's entertainment within the ecosystem of the television. That's actually the biggest challenge. We've got the most regressive television programming in the world, I would say, and particularly as long as women are concerned. The kind of things that we make our women do in a television serial, agar koi bahar se dekhega, so he'd be stunned at looking at these things. So we had a problem of the ecosystem, the kind of serial that's going on. So we didn't want to say, okay, we are very different, nothing of that sort. We say, okay, this is the ecosystem, this is how the television evolved. We will be very strong in our melodrama, soaps, and with that, through our own values and aesthetics, we will push in all the messaging. That's the way we've gone about it.
Which was, totally based on guys' friendship.
Well, I would like to have a conversation with you after you watch Dil Dhadakne Do.
Hello, to Farhan sir. With Mard right now, other than this promotion of this serial, what is the scheme that you have going?
I'm trying to be as less scheming as possible with with this initiative. No, the thing is that, see, it's a behavior initiative. It's something that was very categorically targeted towards college students, high school students, young boys who really are at the cusp of manhood. You know, they are at this time in their life where within a year or two they'll start referring to themselves as men and not as boys. So what are these parameters that they base this opinion of themselves on? You know, we all get these parameters from cultural references and from what we see around us. None of us have ever spoken to our parents and said, at what age did you call yourself a man? And now, would you call me a man? You know, you don't ask these questions. You just look at what's going on around you in a film or in pop culture or in society, on the news, whatever you read, how your friends behave, and you base your opinion on that. So we've been talking to kids mainly, to young boys or young men and boys, you know, and just giving them a certain direction and a certain value system, if you want to call it that, of ideas that they can base their concept of manhood on. And that includes values of equality towards women. It includes values of sensitivity, you know, that it's okay to be sensitive. It's okay to be soft. You know, it's okay to have feelings and not always be aggressive. Because that's usually the pop culture references that come to you, that is, you have to be always an aggressive kind of character. If you want to consider yourself a man, you have to be macho, you know. So just to kind of give them other ideas to think about is what we do, and that's an ongoing thing. And apart from that, like I said, anything that we can do to create content, to get involved, we are glad to do it.
थोड़ा बड़ा कर दिया है आपने. मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो आप बात कर रही हैं वो एक अलग बात है, जुड़ी हुई है, लेकिन उसके पीछे जो उसका इतिहास है थोड़ा सा, हाँ, वो उसका इतिहास थोड़ा सा अलग है. एंड अर्बन अलग होता है, छोटा टाउन अलग होता है, अपना गांव अलग होता है. तो मैं जो सीजन में होने वाला है वहां तक फिलहाल सीमित रहना चाहता हूं कि जो सीजन 2 है उसमें सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जो स्नेहा ने भी कहा उसके अंदर, कि वो कहती है कि हर गांव का रास्ता तो शहर तक जाता है, तो शहर का रास्ता लौट कर गांव तक क्यों नहीं आता. It means that people who are now empowered, if they have become doctors, whatever, why can't they give something back to the village? So she has decided two things, कि मैं अब मरीजों तक पहुंचूंगी, मरीज अस्पताल तक नहीं आएगा. It's a journey into the heartland. It's where the pain is, where the diseases are, and she wants to go there. वो उनके जख्मों पे मरहम और उनकी जो दिल पर जो है उस पर भी मरहम लगाना चाहती है. So she will go there. And उसके साथ साथ we are dealing this time with issues of adolescence. आपने देखा होगा कि महिलाओं की फुटबॉल टीम बनाई गई है. एंड फिर वो आगे जाके समझदारी और भागीदारी के लिए महिला और पुरुष दोनों लड़के लड़की साथ में मिलकर जब फुटबॉल खेलेंगे, तो जब खेल होगा तो समझदारी बढ़ेगी. खेल में जिम्मेदारियां भी होती है. एंड उसमें जैसे फरहान is associated his organization with a wonderful organization called Magic Bus, and that's what they do. Through a game they are able to give you life skills. So that's what we're doing. And then with that we also are emphasizing a lot on self-help group, क्योंकि इस देश में एक बहुत बड़ी क्रांति चल रही है.
That sex is just as important a part of a person with disability than it would be for anybody else. And what is most amazing is that the character's disability is not the focal point of the film.